Okay, take number 4. Hopefully this is the last one of the day. Been working on OstrichDB for about 12, 13 hours. I've been working on the commands. I've kind of fixed up the parser a little bit because originally I was only able to use commands that had at least 3 tokens within it. So now we can do commands with 1 token or 2 or 3 or more. So let's log into Ostrich. Okay, we're within Ostrich now. So if you look on the left here, we have a folder called collections, or directory called collections. It's empty. So I showed off earlier, we can create a collection, which is a file, which holds clusters, and clusters hold records. So that command is new. So you don't have to type capital letters. You don't have to do like this. If you want to, you can, but you don't have to. You can do it all lowercase. You can do a mixture, don't matter. So we're going to do new collection. We're going to call it foo bar. And open this up. There's foobar. Foobar.ost. Okay, so we created a collection. Let's say we want to delete this. We're like, we don't want this in. We're going to drop this, quote unquote, drop it. We can use the command erase. So erase collection. So erase in this case is the action. Collection is the target. Okay, and then we want to use the name, which is the object. So we're gonna do foobar. Sorry, I got distracted. Somebody's driving around my house with loud music. Okay, erase collection foobar, and foobar has been erased or deleted or dropped, whatever you want to call it. Now we can do. Let's make a new one. New collection foobar. Let's bring foobar back, and we're gonna rename it now. We're gonna do rename collection foobar 2. Okay, so my parser uses something that I'm calling atom, ATOM, which is the action, the target, the object, and modifiers. So the modifier is just kind of something in addition to. Okay, so atom. Rename collection foobar 2 foobar bars. And there we go. We've renamed the file. So we've got new, which creates a new one. We got erase, which deletes it. We have rename. We can also do fetch. So let's go ahead and add some data. Let's just say something like this. Does not matter right now. This is only for an example. So we're going to go ahead and do fetch collection foobar bars. It did not show the data. Why are you not showing the data now? You were just doing it. I wonder if it's looking for any kind of special characters. Fetch collection foobar bars. There we go. All right, I'm wondering if that was just looking for like special characters or something like that. I don't know, but there we go. It's a work in progress, right? That's what it's all about. It does not read the metadata. The metadata. It actually looks for the ending of the header, and then it starts reading or starts returning data for everything after that. I also added the version command, so the parser now accepts just one command. So singular commands like this, version, and that just reads over the version file and gives us back whatever version we're We also have log out, which log out is, and the next command exit have been very buggy. But if we log out, um, it's still, Ostrich is still running. We've logged out of the command line. We can't use it. So we're just gonna log back in. And there we go. And we also have exit. Exit is broken. I need to fix it, but I'm relatively close. So if we click exit, it's gonna log us out, and then it doesn't actually exit for whatever reason. So I need to look into it. But anyway, that's about it. I'm gonna probably take a break from working on this tomorrow because I've been on it for a while. But anyway, thanks for watching. Peace.